Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Jamaican kidney beans and rice. For our ingredients, we have kidney beans, onion, scallions, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, bay leaves, ground Jamaican allspice, salt, pepper, chicken stock, coconut milk, rice, and unsalted butter. In a large stock pot over medium heat, you want to add in your beans, your onion, your scallion, garlic, Scotch bonnet, pepper, thyme, bay leaves, allspice, salt and pepper, stock or broth, and your coconut milk. You want to stir all these ingredients together and cover the pot with a lid. You want to cook your beans until they're almost tender for about 1 hour. You can check your beans by squeezing them. If they're too hard, you can cook until they are done. Next, you want to rinse your rice until the water runs clear. Then you want to set your rice aside until your beans are done. Once you check your beans and they are done, you can add in your rice, your butter, and stir to combine. You want to add water to your rice. You want to make sure it's about 1 inch over your rice. And cover your pot with a lid. Let your rice cook until it is done. You want to take a fork and fluff up your rice and discard your Scotch bonnet pepper, your thyme, and your bay leaves. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.